Hello guys, I'm back to you again for our tips and tricks for this week. And today we're going to talk about a wood chisel. We're going to show you the two primary usage for this tool. The first one is called paring, which is basically an horizontal slicing motion, and the other one is called chopping, which is basically in a vertical position, which is mainly done using your mallet. Note that we have here several sizes. This one is 35mm. The next one here is at 18mm. So this is mainly for smaller job, smaller cuts. Then this one at 14mm. As you can see, very small. Then we have the next one at 32, 24 and 8mm. Alright, let's take back the 35mm. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by paring. So as you can see, paring is mainly used when you are cleaning up your table, cleaning up face of the joint as well. And as you can see here on my table, I have a lot of paint left over from previous project, so I'm cleaning using my chisel. Then the other one I was telling you about is the vertical one, using your mallet. And here I'm using a wooden mallet. The corners I have here are not straight. So here I'm using my chisel, helped by my mallet, to create some straight angles. As you can see, I'm taking my time to remove piece by piece, slowly, to avoid breaking too much of the wood. And here I am, I'm done with the chopping. As you can see, I have now some straight angles. And all the chisel I have here are all doing the same thing, just different styles. I am done for today. I hope that this will be useful for you too. Then, I'll see you next time.